Bro just wanted to play with the fish, but the neighborhood police showed up. He threw hands first, then hit cute mode to avoid consequences.
뭐야?
I swear cats are evolving. Next thing you know, they'll be opening bank vaults.
Guys, I can't make this up. My cat is half human.
That's not a cat anymore.
man
That's a
is-
middle-aged man
Look,
after work.
The way he is sitting, watching TV. I don't know who he is.
That stare says, we're gonna talk about this later.
Beatbox.
Tell me why this sounds better than half the remixes on TikTok. They were having fun until they saw drama unfolding across the yard.
Hi, buddy.
He looks like he's calling for his pack, or performing an emotional ballad.
You have 7 minutes to schedule your consultation with one of our
Come on.
This dog's got the copy-paste feature turned on. He's literally mirroring every move. He's literally living his best life. Just a dog and his floppy fish.
Get out! Tank, get out! Tank, get out of the pool! Tank, get out of the pool! No! No, Tank, no! I think you got shot!
Somebody tell him there's no treasure down there. But I love the dedication. That's not a cat. That's a customer demanding to speak to the manager.
A ver, ¿qué tal esos dientes de porcelana? ¡Ay!
Soy piraña. Están en...
Midnight, are you cleaning the table?
Bro really said, "You forgot your paperwork, human."
Do you want this? You got a awoo. That's a good girl.
Go, new carpet. Go see. Go on. Go on. I did this for you so you don't slip. Go on. Really?
He's literally using stealth mode to go downstairs.
Dog thinks he's a kitty cat.
That's
y'all.
not a cat tower anymore. That's a friendship lounge.